Hey guys, right now we are heading to Meteora and there is a toll. Look how fast they drive, the Greeks. We are now on the highway and traversing in the road, driving in the road number 6.
140. What did it say there?
High temperatures, high risk of fire.
Lamia, that's in my purse. Lamia. Oh, you saw that guy?
Number 1.
Yes.
Here.
Okay, how far we continue this one?
196.
Kilometers.
Yes.
So straight.
Yes. Oops. Hey guys, so here is another toll road. 3.25 euros. 3 euros and 25 cents.
Guy right in the back of me. That's Lamia in front of us there.
Lamia.
Yeah, Lamia. Whatever. I call it Lamia.
Hey guys, so we are still on the road. We've been driving now for 5 hours. Around 5 hours. And we're just around 85 kilometers to our destination for today in Hotel Doupiani House. And right now we are driving through the countryside of Greece. And from the BC highway where we saw earlier lots of cars, from here that is like only us driving on this road. so finally we arrived safely in our destination for today, our home for 2 nights, Doupiani House. And it was kind of long drive from Athens to here. We started driving around 1 o'clock, and then now it's what time? 7:48 in the evening, guys. I was just using the Google Maps, and then there's also some options like roads that doesn't have any toll. It's free to drive, but it's a little bit detour, but it was worth it because we were able to see the countryside, the farms, the cornfields, like that. So if you're not in a hurry, you can take that one. Just follow what's here in the Google map. So now we are here, and here is the view. Look at that, guys. Welcome to Meteora. And of course, on my next upload, I'm gonna give you a tour in our room. And then tomorrow we will be going to explore one of the monasteries, or 1 or 2 monasteries here in Meteora. Hey guys, good evening. We are here in tavernas, and it's kinda late, around 10 p.m. now. We're gonna have a late dinner, and we ordered salad, and also for me I ordered souvlaki, which is a popular Greek fast food here in Greece. And so we'll see, it's gonna be my first time. I've been in Greece many times, but it's gonna be my first time to eat souvlaki. And my husband ordered beef tenderloin, so we'll see later when the food comes. So guys, my salad has arrived, and I really thought it's gonna be in a small bowl. Look at that. A lettuce salad. How am I gonna eat this? Anyway, I'm gonna start eating now. So guys, here is my souvlaki. But I still have my salad. I love it. I love the lettuce. I'm gonna eat it first.